Tell me a little bit about, so I think one of the things for the audience that may not be familiar with Risk 360 on B2B SaaS, high growth technology companies being the ideal client profile. When did you guys discover, look, this is the perfect customer for us?
That also was something around year 2, year 3. Starting out, we had a wide spectrum of customers and everything from manufacturing to food services. And then we had, some of the high growth tech companies. And we realized not only do we prefer working with the high growth tech companies, but um, they have a mandate to grow. They need the help. There's a shortage in the marketplace of talent that's ready to serve them. We speak their language. We understand their journey, and so we started realizing that we're best poised to serve them because we understand them. We are them. We are a tech startup ourselves.
It's weird. Every business book says that you should like be as niche as you can, but it's really scary from a at least early on, it was to be that niche. We were at a stage in the company where I want any opportunity, like manufacturing company, plumber down the street, law office, anybody, I don't care. But to start putting stuff on your website that we serve high growth tech companies, to start dressing like high growth tech company clients, to start talking like them, to start leveraging the technologies that they use, to start investing in cloud security in terms of like we're paying for all of our employee certifications. So we're going to pay for them and push them to go cloud directions. That stuff's scary because that's real money that you're investing. And it means saying no to other opportunities. It's just who we are. It's in our DNA. It's the technology that we use. It's how we work. I love working shoulder to shoulder with other entrepreneurs, also trying to grow their business.